Okay, so today specifically we are looking at using the conjunction if in our complex conjunction synthesis and transformation questions. Now, if is actually a pretty easy conjunction for you guys to use. So later on, I'm going to turn up the difficulty level by concurrently testing you if I change the conjunction if into the conjunction although, right? Would you still be able to come up with the correct answer? And that would be bonus points later on. Yeah, because I think students fumble a lot more when they use the word although, right? Because although means if not, doesn't it? Let's begin. So these are the class rules. You guys know what the rules are. Keep your cameras turned on. Keep yourself muted unless you have a very important question. Anything you answer through the chat group. Or like Jing Yang can't access the chat. So Jing Yang will use the annotation to write his answers on my screen instead. All right. Thank you, Jovi, for turning on your screen. Today we'll be covering a few things. First would be visual text. That would be your poster and then your MCQ questions from the poster. Then synthesis and transformation, which we are concentrating on today. And if we have extra time, we'll be covering comprehension MCQs. All right. And also, here's saying hi to Hardik. I'm glad you've joined us permanently and you have a very colorful background. My goodness, what's that? Is that Pokemon? I think it's Pokemon. Okay, let's start. So, wow, so many words, so many sections to read. It's a bit of a blur over here, right? So this is our visual text, and then we have MCQ questions that come under the visual text. So over here, so this is a true false question kind of thing. So like what I always say, visual text, cancel the ones that you are very sure are incorrect, right? Make sure to check all four. Don't just, think that there's one answer there, you faster choose it and then you get it wrong. Not worth it, right? Go through all four, determine whether they are right or wrong. Now, those of you who don't have access to the visual text, okay, please take a picture over here. And I think the only student, or the only two students who got everything correct here are Clarice and Grace. The rest of you need to take a picture of this because all of you have gotten a mistake or two during the visual text MCQ part. Okay, 8 questions in total. Everyone's made a mistake. So you do need to take a picture here and read carefully. Now, when I give you a time limit later, it's not going to be so fast like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that kind of thing. I'll give you a longer time to think about it because you do have to match your options, your A, B, C, D carefully. Okay? And when I call your name, basically you have to give me the correct answer in the chat group. All right? And for Jing Yang is special. Jing Yang can give me the answer on the screen itself, but please don't give me the answer until everyone else has given me the answer and I've said, okay, Jing Yang, you can give me the answer now. Okay? As usual, that's how we normally operate. Yeah, Jing Yang? Okay, let's begin. So, question number 1. Here are the individuals who need to give me their answers again. Jovi, Kingston, Zero, Zoe, Jing Yang. I'm giving you 1 minute. And the rest of you who are waiting, you get a bit of patience points, basically. Okay, Jovi has answered. Very good. Jovi has corrected himself. Zoe has corrected herself. Good. Zero has corrected herself. So I'm waiting for Kingston and Jing Yang. You should have had a picture of the poster just now. So think about it carefully, compare the answers. Okay, in the meantime, I'll be assigning the patient points because to those of you who actually haven't gotten a mistake here, and then accordingly we can just give it to you guys. Pasha isn't here today. Hardik Yang, Jocelyn isn't here today. Paris Chen, so yep. Oh, Calista isn't here as well. Okay. All right. So Chen's Frenton isn't here as well. He might be late. I'll just put him absent first. Okay, so Chen Xing, Clarice, Grace, Hardik, um, Marissa. Is Marissa here? Oh no, Marissa is not here. Okay. That's weird though. Like they did the online work. Chen Xing, Clarice. Oh no, not Kingston. Sanvi, Grace, and Zero and Zoe had to do it again, right? Yes, they did. Okay. So those of you who got it correct here, this is like patient points for being patient. Okay, so Kingston has corrected himself. Good. Okay, Jing Yang, you can show me your answer now. Circle the correct answer. I have enabled annotation. You should be able to circle. Yep, that's right. Just to double check for the rest of you, do you know what the correct answer is? Send me your correct answers as well. I just want to double check so that you didn't just conveniently got the correct answer because you picked the correct answer by chance. Okay, Chen Xing is still correct. That's good. Sanvi is correct. That's good. This one, first question here. This one, the first question. What's your answer? What should the correct answer be? Yes, Grace, you are correct. Okay, Jingyang, you have 30 seconds more to decide what your answer is. All right, giving an answer is better than not giving one. All right. Yes, Hardik.
Your screen is frozen.
My screen is frozen. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Yeah, better now.
Yes. Jingyang, have you found the correct answer? Oh, sorry, I didn't show you the question just now. My apologies. Okay, so while we're waiting for Jingyang, the first person who can spell for me the word that I'm going to say now will gain a bonus 5 points. All right, but you must be the first person. You must be the first person to spell it correctly. Okay? The first person to spell the word. All right, the word is futuristic. Futuristic. And Kingston got it. Congratulations, Kingston. He's the first one to send it through. Kingston gets a bonus 5 points. Hardik, you need to get rid of the E behind the future. You don't need the E anymore. Zoe is correct, all right? Jovi is wrong. Grace is correct, but Kingston got it first, so only Kingston gets it. Cheng Sing is correct. Good. So futuristic is spelled. I'm going to send a spelling to everyone. You spell future first, F-U-T-U-R-E, but you don't put the E in, and just change it to istic, futuristic. All right, Ting Yang, have you decided? I'm giving you 30 more seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so there's no answer from Jing Yang coming in, so he has forfeited this question. The answer here is actually C. All right, which one is true? The school is organizing this event for the first time. That's true. Now, how can we tell that the school is organizing this for the first time? It's because of this word over here, inaugural. So this is quite a tough question. If you didn't know what inaugural meant, you wouldn't know that it means it's the first time, right? Inaugural means the first, very first time that they are organizing this fundraising event called Movie Under the Stars. All right, so C is the correct answer here. Okay, the rest are false. Next, question 2. The following students give me their if so I'm going to give the patient marks first. So if you don't get a patient mark, it means you got it wrong, and you need to give me the answer. Okay? So please, those of you who got it correct, please be patient and wait for your friends. So the patient marks go to Callista, Clarice, Kingston 0, and Grace. Which means the rest of you who were not called, you have to give me the answer again. Which basically means you got it wrong. So, all right, Sanvi has given me her answer. Sanvi has corrected herself successfully. Chen Xing has corrected herself successfully. Very good. Jovi has corrected himself. That's good. Zoe is still wrong, unfortunately. Hardik has corrected himself. That's good. So what does the phrase his quest in the first paragraph actually refer to? So Jing Yang, you can give me your answer now. You can draw on my screen. So the first paragraph of the movie synopsis, his quest refers to what? So if you look at the movie synopsis over here, all right, this part here, his quest. What does his quest refer to? Setting out to find the lush feeding grounds of the legendary Great Valley, he meets up with 4 other young dinosaurs who agree to join his quest. So which part? What's the answer here, Jing Yang?